Hey everyone, check out the Holyton HT70 3-axis brushless gimbal GPS drone with a stunning 4K camera that captures crisp 4K/30 FPS video in vibrant colors thanks to its premium Sony lens. This drone features a 3-axis brushless gimbal for ultra-smooth footage, even in windy conditions, making your videos look professional every time. With intelligent GPS flight modes like Follow-Me, Waypoint Flight, and QuickShot options, capturing dynamic aerial shots has never been easier. Explore nighttime adventures using the enhanced night mode, which delivers clear, vivid visuals in low light. Its powerful brushless motors offer up to 10,000 feet of transmission range for stable, long-distance flights. The drone is FAA-compliant with built-in remote ID to ensure safe, legal flying experiences. Plus, Holyton provides excellent after-sales support to assist you anytime with firmware updates and troubleshooting. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.